Okay, we're gonna go for a ride today. It's a beautiful sunny day. We've had some crazy weather here in Northern California, and today it's all blue sky. So we're gonna take a trip out to Nevada City. Take it a little different way. We're gonna go up 80 to Colfax, and then I think it's 154 into Grass Valley. And then we're gonna go have some Mexican, and we'll come back on the 49. And it's beautiful. Crazy we're having these storms, and now we got this. Love California.
Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest bitch. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back, wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay, I'ma let you live, no shame.
Gassing up, just about to jump on 80 and head to Grass Valley. We're gonna go to the range, like I said, shoot off some rounds, get some practice in, and then go eat. Hey, so quick mention for rock form. So I have a rock form phone mount, which I'll show you. So I've never had any issues with that before, but coming down Foresthill Road, the phone flew off. Luckily I had the tether on it, and so the phone didn't totally go, but I don't know if anyone else has had similar misfortune with that. But it's the first time it's ever happened to me. I'm hoping it's just because I didn't put it on there properly, but definitely be watching that from now on. But otherwise, we'll see you at the next stop.
Could you be laughing at me, or we just giddy? Butterflies flapping in me. Don't stop what you're doing. Yeah, what you doing to me? Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to roll. Just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby, and be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to roll. Just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. No, I was dumb, baby, just way too young, baby. I was too blind to see what you meant to me. The things you can't forgive, didn't know how to live, cause I didn't love myself. Wish I could turn back time, go back and do things right. Give you a wedding ring, give you my everything, and be there by your side. Share a life and have a child. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna
Okay, so we made it to the range. Go fire off a few rounds, get a little practice in before we go eat. Beautiful ride in. Still this California weather blows me away. I know I keep saying it, but to have the snow and the wind and the rain that we had the last few days, and to have this, it's a beautiful thing. 50 degrees, perfect riding weather. All right, see you in a few.
Just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time with you. Don't wanna take it slow. Just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time with you. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to roll. Just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time.
From the city, it's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise.
Did with the range, had some fun. Now in Nevada City, I'm from Mexican. What's the place called, Jay?
Taqueria.
I thought it had a different kind of name. You sure? Let's see.
El Pueblo.
El
Pueblo.
Pueblo?
It's in Pueblo.
I don't know. Find it. Pueblo Taqueria. Yeah, so we're gonna go eat at Mi Pueblo Taqueria. We're crushing Mexican right now. Nice little Christmas tree in Nevada City.
Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you.
Jaywalking. Get some jaywalking in. This place is good. Hi. Good. How you doing? All right. Check this out. I got a fajita trio with steak, carnitas, and chicken. What you got, Jay?
I got chicken enchiladas, my go-to dish.
So this is Mi Pueblo Taqueria in Nevada City. Really cute. You should come check it out. Let's tuck in. How was Mi Pueblo?
Mi Pueblo muy delicioso.
Sí. No, it's really good, really good.
On tap.
Definitely go back there again. Now it's all about the ride home. This time we're going to take 49 on the way home. And please like, subscribe, make a comment, and if we don't do another video before Christmas, Merry Christmas from us.
Merry Christmas.
Missed you, but I'll be gone. You know I don't wanna fight ya, but there is something about ya that makes me wanna scream and shout. You left me hanging down and out. I think you never leave me, but you cheated and deceived me. You never cared for me at all. You had me at your beck and call. It's true, I'm a sucker for you. You're no good, still I'm loving you. But I made up my mind. I'm gonna pack my bags, I'll walk out the door. I won't be back, you'll see me no more. No, no. You better leave me alone. I miss you, but I'm sick and tired of loving you. I don't know why, just know that I do. Please leave me alone. I'm gonna miss you, but I'll be gone. I sure will miss you when I am gone. I'm gonna miss you when I be gone. I sure will miss you when I am gone. I'm gonna miss you. I fell for you, sad but true. You're no good, still I'm loving you. But I made up my mind. I'm gonna pack my bags, I'll walk out the door. I won't be back, you'll see me no more. No, no. You better leave me alone. I miss you, but I'm sick and tired of loving you. I don't know why, just know that I do. But please leave me alone. I'm gonna miss you, but I'll be gone. Yeah, I'll be gone. I'll be gone. Bye, baby. Bye, bye, baby.
Time goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again?